Keep on it. It's been a few weeks since we've been out, so we decided to take advantage of a couple nice days of weather and get out to the trails. The backside of Mclean Creek has an excellent spot to camp by the river. Today, that's our goal to get to. This video is brought to you in part by Toy Factory Fab, North Shore Off-Road, Alberta OHV Trail Riders. What's going on, you guys? Griffin here, Country Slickers. Welcome to the page. If you guys are new, thank you for joining us. We're headed out today to the back of Mclean Creek, end of 564 trail, to go camping for hopefully one, maybe 2 nights if we don't get rained out. So super excited to get out. We've got the rusty, faithful 98 ZJ to get us out there. We're packed up and yeah, can't wait to get out. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and let's get onto the trails. What's going on, you guys? So we just got to our camping spot down on the river. It is super windy, but absolutely gorgeous. We got a sweet little spot tucked away in the trees back here. We're going to set up camp, and then I think we're gonna have a drink, or maybe not. Maybe we might go for a run first in the trucks, and then yeah, away we go. Stay tuned. Unfortunately, close to the top of our run at Quirk Ridge, we had our camera die, but here's a couple photos of an amazing sky and storm break. After getting to the top of Quirk Ridge and enjoying a couple of photos, we headed back down and headed to bed.
Look at that. Dom.
Killing it.
Shut down.
Alright, so we enjoyed a little bit of nice night wheeling last night, had some drinks, had a beautiful fire. Day 2, it's absolutely gorgeous out. We're right by the river, so we're gonna go check that out, jump in. And yeah, a couple people have rolled through actually. We got my boy Sean showed up, Shane showed up from Edmonton. So shout out to you guys, thanks for coming out. And yeah, we're gonna enjoy the day, and then we're gonna go back on the trails in a little bit too, and run some trails a little later. So, kid. That one on the end there is young. Day 2 on the trails, ran Quirk Ridge last night, which was super fun. Sorry that the video quality was not incredible. We need a light bar, I think, before lockers. Anyways, so we're out today heading up to top of the world from the backside of West Fisher. So should be a good run. We still got Sean with us, so I think he'll be rolling with us as well. Could be a good day out. In case we haven't introduced her yet, but this is Dominique. She's our dedicated trail drinker today, since I can't be drinking and driving.
I'm here, hello.
What's going on, guys? So we finished up the day, got back from top of the world. We're down by Elbow. We're packed up. It's the last day. We're headed home, and it's going to start thunderstorming apparently in a few hours. So we're getting ahead of the rain, heading out a little bit early. Just a quick reminder to all those guys that are out there camping and overlanding, be sure to leave your site cleaner than when you found it. As you can see behind me, can't even tell we were here. No little bits of string, no cans, no food wrappers, anything like that. Make sure your fire is completely out. And yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Be sure to smack that subscribe button, and we will see you on the next adventure.